CEOs need to get their hands dirty. They need to roll up their sleeves and start playing with these tools, testing things, building their own apps, building their own skills. I think when you do that, your mind starts to open up and you can just see all the possibilities. You start to then think about AI not as this general topic, and you start to think about, how do I apply AI? I think at this point, I think most companies realize that AI is important. I think now CEOs actually view themselves as the chief AI officer, which is incredible. I think part of that is realizing that no one else in the organization is better suited to drive this agenda than them. I think they also realize that it's their legacy that's on the line. And I think they're getting stuck because they haven't really sort of been able to really focus the organization on where the value is and get the organization and the operating model lined up around that. I'm really excited for BCG in this moment because I think we bring the combination that companies really need to drive impact. I think we bring strategic clarity. I think we bring the ability to apply AI. And I think it's really the combination of those two things is what you need. What we're trying to build is an architecture that really helps embed our knowledge, our IP, our data, combined with these models to actually drive value. We're finding that it helps us bring the best of BCG and optimizing BCG in ways that we probably didn't expect to happen. It's connecting topics to other topics. It's connecting ideas from one sector to another sector. So a client is actually seeing it all together. And it's actually, in many ways, the agents are connecting, but it's also connecting the human expert. Everything we build has human in the loop, but the cool part is when the agent's actually bringing humans in the loop that you wouldn't have thought to bring into the loop. And in the end, that's optimizing BCG. It's optimizing the value that we bring to our clients.